Hello, good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed about various types of teeth. Is not it? How many types of teeth are there? There are four types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar, and polar. What is the function of teeth? It helps in grinding the food. So, in an infant, there are 20 number of teeth, but in our mouth, we have 32 number of teeth. Clear? I also said incisor help in cutting and binding. Canines, it is mostly present in carnivorous animal because they have to tear the food. They eat meat, na? They have to tear the food. Premolar and molar help in chewing and grinding the food. In the picture you see, you have to draw the picture also, I am shown. See the number. Incisor. In the lower jaw, there are four. I hope you can see in the lower jaw, number of incisor is 4. In the upper jaw also, number of incisor is 4. The total number of incisor in our mouth is 8. Clear? Upper and lower, they mix, and in the total number of incisor is 8. Now next, canine. See the canine. In the upper jaw, 2 canine. Lower jaw, 2 canine. The total number will be 4. Now, a premolar, upper jaw 10, lower jaw 10. Premolar and molar I combine two, they are 10 in number. The total number will be 20. Now you add 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. Clear? The total number of teeth in our mouth is 32. Now next, our digestion start. As we put the food into our mouth, now the teeth help in grinding, biting, chewing, and now the food goes to the esophagus, that is known as food pipe. Inside the food pipe, there is a movement which also help in grinding the food by help in the process of digestion. That process is known, that movement is known as peristaltic movement. What movement? Peristaltic movement. Inside the esophagus, there is a movement. That movement is known as peristaltic movement. In your book also, esophagus figure is there in page number 15. Clear? Now the food pipe, which is commonly known as food pipe, it passes along the neck and the chest. The swallowed food, the food which we put on, because mouth is known as the buccal cavity. Now the food grinds in the buccal cavity. After that, the swallowed food is passed down by the movement of the wall of the. With that movement, I say that movement is known as peristaltic movement of the food pipe into the stomach. Now the food from the mouth, it goes to the stomach via esophagus. Clear? Now we will go study about stomach. Clear? In stomach, the shape of the stomach is J shaped. Remember, the shape of the stomach is J for jug, J shape. Inside the stomach, it contains many different digestive juices also. There are hydrochloric juices. Along with that, hydrochloric acid is present, pepsin is present, and mucous membrane is present. Clear? So, hydrochloric acid, what is the function of hydrochloric acid? First, it makes the medium, inside the medium of the stomach, it makes the medium acidic. What? It makes the medium acidic. And second, it kills the germs, the bacteria that comes along with the food. When you eat food, many germs also enter. So hydrochloric acid, they kills the germs that come along with the food. Next, pepsin. Pepsin is there, the digestive enzyme called pepsin. It helps in the digestion of protein. So, due to the presence of hydrochloric acid, the pepsin start working. Clear? And mucus protect the wall of the stomach from the acid. Otherwise, acid will harm our stomach. The mucous membrane, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना थैली, the mucous membrane protect the wall of the stomach from the acid. Now the food goes to the small intestine. It is near about 7 meter long. Very long, sometimes 6, sometimes 7. But in carnivorous animals, the small intestine is small because they have to digest only meat. But in herbivorous, as they are digesting cellulose, जो cellulose digest करते हैं उनका small intestine बहुत लंबा होता है. ठीक है. It also receives from liver and pancreas. We know liver secretes bile. Liver क्या secrete करता है? Bile, which is stored in gallbladder. which is stored in gallbladder. Clear? Our pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreas, it also secretes many digestive juices which is known as amylase, lipase, trypsin. ये higher class में पढ़ोगे. Amylase help in the digestion of carbohydrate, lipase, fat, protein, like that. Amylase. The liver is the largest gland on the body. It secretes bile which is stored in gallbladder. It also secretes many digestive juices. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which break down carbohydrate and protein. Clear? Carbohydrate, I said na, amylase, lipase, trypsin, they digest, help in the intestinal juice, complete the digestion of starch into glucose. Starch is a complex carbohydrate and glucose is a simple carbohydrate. Fat into fatty acid from complex to simple, and glycerin, and protein into amino acid. The digestion of protein, carbohydrate, fats took place in this small the enzyme which is present over there. They help in the digestion of carbohydrate, protein, fats, and complex protein breaks into simple, complex fat material breaks into simple. So today you will study about small intestine. Clear? You have to draw the diagram of esophagus which is given in page number 15. Label the diagram and also write about stomach and small intestine. Thank you.